The herd loves rain days. You get to enjoy bug-free day. Need a better camera. A moment, a baby over there. That might be single deer, a single fawn, or a twin. Oh, there's twins over at the feeding area. This might be a single. We had two sets of twins earlier. They are loving the rain. Eating mulberries, a little fawn. There's the twins. You got to zoom too far into them. Oh, you gotta go potty. We don't need to watch it go potty. Oh, it looks like there might be twins over there now, and a single. I must have 5 fawns. There's twins. There's the single fawn. And then there's the other twins over here. Hard to see, Mama's in the way.